Pray for RDO ang naging battle cry ng lahat ng basketball fan sa buong Pilipinas, hindi lang TNT Nation, kundi lahat ng nagmamahal sa Pilipinas basketball dahil alam naman natin, isa sa mga vital cog natin. Etong si Ranidel De Ocampo at ang balita natin, he will be missing some time. He's doing better right now as he tries to recover. At si Miss Erica nga po, alam kung ano talaga ang kanyang kalagayan.
Tama, Maguno. Last week na nalaman natin that RDO is suffering from herniated disc and will be out for the next 4 to 6 weeks. Pero at this point, kasama po natin ang PT ng Talk and ng TNT para ibigay sa atin kung ano nga ba ang talagang update as of right now after 1 week of the incident.
Bale, as of now, si Ranidel medyo mas better na siya. He feels better. He was discharged from the hospital yesterday. And he started this rehab and therapy niya a few days ago. Now he's able to walk without assistance, but may standby na lang. So hopefully he'll be able to recover in a few weeks time. So siguro according to the doctors, hopefully mga 6 to 8 weeks he'll be able to get back again.
So mula po sa 4 to 6 weeks, madadagdagan nga ng 2 pang linggo, total of more or less 2 months na mawawala at hindi po natin makakasama si RDO. Maraming salamat, Sir Dex.